What's up, SNL2?
What's up, SNL2? We're back with another video. Back with another video.
Today's a big reveal. That was good. So this is the finale. We are here.
Yes.
We're ready to tell you the house that we chose.
Yeah. This was a tough process. A formula that weighed into it was how far we were going to be away from work and our family.
Yes, because I wanted to be closer to family, like 30 minutes tops. That's what
she wanted 20 minutes.
Yeah,
tops.
20, 15 minutes. I really wanted to be close because, we want to start having a family. I just wanted to be close to our family, not far from our family. Right. But where our family lives is very expensive.
Yes.
It's just an expensive state, right? So it wasn't an option.
Yeah. So the house we were moving from was about 45 minutes away from our family.
Yeah.
So the modern rancher would have been
40
minutes away from our family.
So it was a little bit closer.
A little bit closer.
That's house number 1.
Yeah. House number 2 and 3 are actually in the same neighborhood.
Maybe 10 minutes further out.
Yes. It's 10 minutes further out from where we used to live.
From where we used to live.
So it's about 55 minutes.
Yeah.
So that weighed into the discussion. That's why I said it was a tough decision. Because but we chose.
Tell them now.
Yeah, we're going to get a drum roll, please. All right. We're gonna tell you which house we chose.
Some of you may have guessed it.
Some of you may have guessed it.
And some of you may have guessed correctly, of course.
We chose 3, 2,
1.
The Chateau House! Yay! Boom, 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 boom! Hey!
It's unlocked.
Oh my gosh. We didn't even enter through this way the other time. Thank God. Thank you, Lord. Woo! Where's your gym? I was so happy with choosing this house. To me, we chose this house because it met every.
It checked a majority of the checklist. It may have checked every box.
It checked every box.
It has the land. What you guys didn't see is that we had to pick we had to pick a house type, and then we had to pick a property.
Yeah.
For that house to be built on, right?
Yeah. And
the land that came with the chateau was a price that couldn't be beat.
We got a half an acre.
Acre.
Which is a lot when I have to cut it.
Yes.
But
it's a lot of grass to cut, but it's what we asked for, right?
Yeah.
So we got that. The main thing that sold me was the entry.
Yes.
You can't beat the entry of the chateau.
Siobhan loves his entry.
So we might as well tell you, we call our house Chateau PA.
Chateau PA in the building.
We went to a wine festival recently, right?
Yeah.
And one of our friends was like, Chateau PA. And we were like, that's what we call the house.
How do you know that?
Right? So our house is definitely the Chateau, and our last name is PA, and it's kind of like French vibe.
Yeah.
It just all flows. Like, you can't beat the entryway into this house.
No, you can't. And
if we were to turn the camera around, you would be able to see the entry and that pretty arc. And you saw the pantry. But you saw it
on the walkthrough
in the last video.
But it was a great decision.
Great decision.
I love the bathroom. We couldn't take that bathroom on any other house.
Right. And we'll grow into this house.
Yes. That's what we were thinking about. We were thinking about filling the house up. You know what I mean? Of course, the modern rancher was just luxury.
Yeah, the modern rancher was luxury. But at that price point,
Yeah.
When we compare the modern rancher to the chateau, the chateau is a better deal at the price point and the land you get.
Yeah. The square footage on this house is amazing. The model that we got is actually called the Corsica.
Yes, it's called the Corsica.
Yeah.
If you wanted to look it up, you could.
The modern rancher opened my eyes to like customization.
Should we tell them the elimination process?
Yeah.
We eliminated the modern rancher first.
We eliminated the modern rancher because in order to get to the price of the Corsica, we had to take away everything that we loved about the house.
To make it affordable.
Yeah. So the upgraded package on the modern rancher can get a bit pricey. And the timeline of the builds, right?
Oh, yes.
The timeline of the builds. Yeah, we loved it, man. We loved the modern rancher a lot.
Yeah, we did. We settled on the chateau. It's a beautiful home.
We didn't settle. We love the chateau. We picked it. Mm-hmm. We chose the chateau. One of the cool things about his house was my dad was able to come for like a lot of the process, you know? So he loved this house.
He did.
And one of the cool things about this house is that my dad really, he was a part of like the home selection process. Yeah. He was a part of it. So that was one of the cool things about it. It holds sentimental value to us for sure.
And he came up during the building process.
Yeah. And when we were in the inspection, we was like, it's just gonna be me and Siobhan, Dad. He was like, yeah, okay. And he still roll with us, and it's just things
it's memories for us to cherish.
Memories for us to cherish.
And
yes.
feel.
Yes.
Feel too.
One of the things that we loved about this house is the high ceilings as well.
Don't forget to subscribe.
It costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button. Hit it. Mm-hmm. You know, and these ceilings are crazy high, right?
In the entryway.
In the entryway.
The plus about this house is you get an open floor plan.
Yeah.
But you also get cozy.
Yes.
You get cozy too.
And
so when you come in, it kind of feels kind of big, grand, or whatever. And then as you go through the house, it gets more intimate.
Yes.
And like it feels warm. And you guys know how I feel about Christmas. So it definitely gives you the Christmas vibe. Like the trees that I want to get, the decorations,
the candles outside on the windows.
We did it.
We made it to the end of the series. Thanks for hanging in there with us.
Yes.
We love you guys.
Love you.
Love you. Kiki, do you love me?
Are
you riding? That was like 2-3 years ago.
2 or 3 years ago.
Drake?
Kiki, do you love me was 2 or 3 years ago?
5 years ago.
Okay, that's a big difference.
I mean, but showing your age is like 20 years ago. We love you guys. You made it to the end of the video. You made it to the end of the series. We love you guys.
Love you so much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay?
We love you guys. You want to freestyle real quick?
We in the house.
Hey. We in the house.
We in the house. I'm with my spouse. You watching me. And now Whitley. What house did we pick?
We
Number
chose 3.
Hey!
Hey!
Number 3.
Hey!